Alright, welcome back to Epic Reviews, and this is going to be an unboxing of Obi-Wan, the Star Wars. I forgot the name of the show, but you get the idea. This is the deluxe version. With the rocks, like you'll see. But this is how the front of the box looks. You got the side. You see it says it's a special version. That lovely lightsaber. Okay, we got this. So let's get this up. Now it does come with like a little poster here. Obi-Wan. And this is how the figure looks inside. Okay. Let's get this. Okay. So you got Obi-Wan himself. And this is the Obi-Wan version from the season show. Accessories. Ooh. So this is some type of treasure box, I'm guessing. I don't know what, I didn't watch the whole season, but this is Anakin Skywalker's lightsaber that it comes with. Or you just put it in a box like that. You got some stones here. This is for him when he was throwing the rocks at Darth Vader. So I have to set this up. Let's see. Another one. This is some type of cloth. I'll figure that out later on. But there's a whole bunch of accessories. Comes with the instruction manual. Okay. You got here. Okay, you got here, this is some type of cape, well, robe for Obi-Wan. I have to show you what that looks like with it on. Alright, and this is the last piece of the rock. And of course you got the, let me just set this up. Alright, so you can see now this is a hologram. I don't know who this is, but if you know, let me know. Let's see here. You got here, this is, I believe is Obi-Wan's lightsaber. Blue. Okay. And also has a cord where it lights up. Got another one. Also comes with the hilt and the lightsaber. Put it in, and there you go. Another one. Got here some type of blaster, pistol. That's one. Got a little hologram piece where you stick it in for this guy. Got some hands here. Open hand. Closed hand. And another one. They're pretty much the same type. Got another one here. Like an OK sign. And deuces fingers. And another one, which is the same. Like they always do, they come with extra joints. And you got here your little tools for, I guess, to move the eyes or so, or the rocks, which I think And here goes the extra set. And you got here another battery. This is to connect to get the lightsaber to light up. I don't know what these pieces are for. And got some type of little robot. And binoculars. Or it looks like it. Yeah, it does like binoculars. And that's it. Got this little small piece, like a screw. I don't know what it's for. Let's make sure. And that's everything for this unboxing. Obi-Wan. It's a long unboxing, but it's over with. Alright, and enjoy this video.